This problem here is just really previewing when we get to word problems in 5.3. And I'm going to read the beginning to you. This isn't actually a part of the problem. It's just going to remind you what the slope of a line means. So as we saw earlier in this section, the slope of a line has a meaning. It's how much the y value changes as x is increased by 1. We want to be able to point out the slope in word problems. In word problems, however, we will be dealing with real quantities, so x and y will take on different meanings. To figure out what represents the slope, you want to read the problem and ask yourself the question: is there something changing as something else changes? Because that's what slope is. Typically, we think about x and y, but with word problems, it's just two different things. Which we'll see in this problem is going to be talking about a phone, so it's going to talk about money, and it's going to be talking about over time, how much you're paying for money compared to time. Right, so it says read the problem below and identify what the slope is along with its units. Right, so this is the actual problem right here where it starts. It says it's important to compare the total cost of a cell phone, or the total cost of cell phone plans, including the cost of the phone. One company charges $143 for a phone and $58 per month for unlimited talk and text. What is the slope? Enter your answer without the dollar sign. Well, you only have two choices here. If you're just reading the problem, it's $143 for a phone and $58 per month to pay for unlimited talk and text. The slope is what's going to be changing, what you're going to pay every month. You're not going to pay $143 for the phone every month. You buy it once and that's it. But $58 per month, that is what's changing. You can kind of think about it as paying every month. So that is the slope. To preview this a little bit, the $143, we're only paying once. So this is not the slope. All right, so anytime you do something over and over again, that's really going to represent your slope. So our slope, as far as the number goes, is 58. Now the units, well, if you just read, it's $58 per month. So that's exactly what it is. It's dollars per month. So just keep that in mind. When you're reading a word problem, if you see something per something else, it could be miles per hour. It could be talking about a rental car, so dollars per mile. It can really be anything. That's what your slope's going to be represented by.